Okay, so we're here at MRC, and this is really the operations center. So this is your construction company, and obviously you're doing work for the units that we looked at, and obviously with your own personal real estate portfolio, but you also take on other commercial clients as well. So tell us a little bit about how did you get started? What was that idea? Why did you come up with the construction aspect?
Yeah, so I've been doing construction for a long time, since I was 16 years old. When we started buying more properties, we had guys working on our own properties, and so we have the manpower. And so now what we do, it was just a no-brainer to start the restoration construction. And so what we do is we peel guys off as needed basis to take care of other properties throughout the Metroplex, Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas area. So
yeah, I mean, so what you're doing is you're eliminating the middleman, right? And you're what I've heard right, is that the construction industry isn't always reliable. So to be able to condense that cycle and the amount of players that are involved and to manage that, I mean, that's really been the difference, right?
It's huge, because our clients, the biggest needs that they have is, hey, if somebody could show up and they could just be on time. Okay, if the project manager, the superintendent, if they could speak English to walk them through all the details. Also, when you're using a subcontractor or where they're subbing out all the work, then you're paying a premium, 30%, 40% markup, versus when it's handled in-house or when it's handled with our own team. We're able to be extremely aggressive and competitive with our pricing as well.
Yeah, so if someone, they're looking to build out their empire, right, and they're just starting, units at a time, they could actually hire you, right, where you could help them and you can kind of get them started. But, where's that point where you go, okay, you really should have these services in-house? When did you make that decision?
We knew that I always had a dream, desire to have a real estate portfolio along with a construction company. So I just kind of knew right off the bat that was the direction that we were going to head to and what we were going to do.
Okay, perfect.